welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to make cloud dough at home with just 3 things. And I really want to tell you that I saw this recipe on Pinterest and after that I decided to try this. So if this recipe works, then I will highly recommend you to make it. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So for making cloud dough, first take your bowl, then add 1/4 cup of moisturizer in it. Now add food color. If you don't have food color, you can even add acrylic paint. Now mix them together. Now add half cup of corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can even add cornstarch. Now mix them together. So now our cloud dough is ready and you can see that it's super shiny and super soft. Its texture is also so good and it's super stretchy also. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video, bye.